Hey y'all, this is Bobby with your free action plan video that I've promised you. So I'm going to show you 3 tips on how to increase your online presence so you can grow your revenue. If at the end of this video you decide you want to take advantage of the action plan on your own, feel free. Of course, I'm here to help. So shoot me a call, give me a text. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I have this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. Whenever I enter Mexican food Fort Worth, it's showing me that every month there are approximately 350 searches for just that one phrase alone, and it has a keyword difficulty of 7, which is easy to rank. It's also showing me that you can pay to rank for Mexican food Fort Worth, and you'll pay Google $3.50 per click. So I'm going to show you how that looks in the Google search engine. So whenever I enter this right here, the first thing that it's showing me is the map pack, or the Google My Business pages right here. So in order to get right here, you guys first need to build yourself a Google My Business page and make sure that you have your site, your citations listed in different directories throughout the internet. A citation is your name, address, and phone number, the way Google has it listed right here. So whenever I say directories, I mean directories like Yelp and stuff like that. Make sure they're relevant to restaurant or Mexican style, so that way it'll give you more power and more popularity. So when I click right here on Avita's Mexican restaurant, who's #1, um, this right here is their GMB page. So with the Google My Business page, you can actually search it and create your own for free. But the things that are gonna bring you up front are what I was first saying: the directories, your citations, and then also your Google reviews. So they have 305 Google reviews. In order for you to outrank them, another thing is you need to double or triple their Google reviews, and also make sure you list your services that you have right here, and make sure you have 2 or 3 times as many pictures as they do. The next thing I'm going to show you is what is under this section. This is called the organic section. And if you guys decide to build a website, then you'll be eligible for the organic section. Do you know what? I'm going to go back for a second. You see right here the Google My Business page right here. It has an address. I know you guys don't have an address anymore, but if you can verify a zip code in Fort Worth, you can still create a Google My Business page. So that was just one thing I wanted to make sure you guys know. So moving back to the organic section, I'm not sure if you guys want to build a website, but if you do, I'm going to give you tips on how you can rank right here. So Google ranks you #1 based on how much information you have. So make sure Google wants you to have content of about 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on your competitors. So of course we see right here that Joti Garcia's is #1, well, behind Yelp, and it's because they've been around a long time, so they have a lot of information on their page. But it's not just content alone, it has to be high ranking keywords, rich content. And so Google wants you to have at least one keyword for every 100 to 150 words. And then another thing that's going to also rank you right here on the first page is what's called backlinks. So similar to citation, a backlink is whenever another relevant website lists your website onto their page, giving you trust and popularity. So I'm going back to this tool that I have called Ahrefs, and I looked up Joti Garcia's, and I see that they have 770 referring domains. So all of these websites right here are giving them 4.3 thousand backlinks. So that's a lot, but they've been around decades. And it's also showing me that on their website they have 2.2 thousand keywords that's given them organic traffic of 4,000 searches every month. That is a lot. So this traffic value is bringing them $1,500. So, or yeah, 1,500, and they're actually not paying Google for any ads right now. What we can do to get your page ranking is if we click right here, we can get their organic keywords and we can add those keywords to your page. And the same thing with these referring domains. We can click on here and see what web pages they have listed, and then we can add your link to them as well. So those are just the 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about. So to go over it, first, I need you to create a Google My Business page. Make sure that you have your citations listed in as many directories as possible. And if you decide you want to build your website, make sure it has at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content and a lot of backlinks. Also, another thing I wanted to mention to you is that I do help with Facebook ads and stuff like that. So just give me a call. Let me know what you think. The only thing that I'm asking is that you send me a Google review, and I'll send you a Facebook message tomorrow so we can talk and you can let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.